This video I'm going to teach about what the heck I this video. I'm going to talk about I'm going to teach you how you can recognize your favorite songs and uncover some of what I believe can be useful to musicians. Okay, so let's get into it. So identify the main, trying to sing it along, listening to it. I don't think you need to listen to that one because I think in 2017 we heard it so many times that it hurt our head, maybe for some. So we know that Despacito. My bad, my voice is. Those are not singing lessons, piano lessons for ear. So Despacito. Wait, is it? Because. Oh, my bad. Okay, no, my bad. It's in C major. It's in D major. Okay, my bad. I made a mistake there. So it works more in It works in D. It works in D major, and doesn't change. You still have the fourth mode or subdominant that you start with. So you just even doing mistakes right here and there, but it's no big deal. So yeah. Oh, that's weird. Is it here or is it in G major? Like, I would record this video, but I'm gonna put it whatever, however. So it's in. So, of course, trying to play a song by ear requires you to memorize and be used. So I'd suggest you try to practice at least the first notes just to get the rhythms and the melodies in your head so that they stick and when you come back to the piano, either it be after 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, whoops, my bad. Then you come back and you're gonna be more prepared. So when you have your G, just or take the first notes, four first notes, main theme. So and just like I'm doing it on the go. So we're starting with G, and we do it again. You can even have fun playing it. You can vary rhythms so that the melody sticks more easy, while if the notes stick in your head, you can even double staccato it. Staccato is just a note you don't hold the note when you play staccato. Okay, so we're good. Okay, I'm gonna try again. So when you have the theme, then you just try to play it without doing wrong notes. That is not the most practical way of learning a piece, but you can even should, I think, just to develop your ear. You don't need to do it with the Despacito. It could be with Jingle bells, of course, this is not the season. You can do it with the jingle bells, or just training your ear, and the more you do it, the more you get used to it, well, it's gonna come more and more naturally. Or people that aspire to learn some piano, it's no secret that the brain of musicians is different than the brain of non-musicians. In other words, it's because of the temporal lobes. Temporal lobes are located around our ears. Well, not around, but underneath, I believe. Because it's the skull and just underneath. Temporal lobes is not the same as musicians and non-musicians. Okay,